Hi guys. As you can see, it's late midnight and I've just been awake, just writing the letter. And yeah, I think that there are some decisions that are hard to take, but again, for your mental health and what, you're gonna take them no matter what. So, and I know decision might sound crazy to some who can get to not understand it, but considering like any other opportunities, or especially the mental health, it's so like important for you and your health as well. And I don't know, so I'm just done. As you can see, I'm holding a PC and I'm writing I'm done writing it, and I'm about to send it. So before sending it, I'm grateful, and also grateful for life, grateful for the experience, grateful for the people, the world, and I look forward to what God is having in store for me, for my life, for my future career life, which I don't know because currently I don't have any other place to go rather than like continue my self-research at my own pace and trying to find for new opportunities. So just took this video and it's almost, let me check, it's almost 3 a.m. and I've been having this decision so far ago, so it's not the new. And am I nervous to send it? Yes. Am I to regret the fact that I'm going to send it? No. Am I able to receive and to start new life of unemployment? Yes, because I just believe that every day there are opportunities, new opportunities, and I don't know if I'm able. Like I can't wait to explore them by God's grace. Yeah, I'm going to send it, and fingers crossed. Yeah. Sometimes there are decisions we take by risky just to pursue the big ones, so we don't know. So for me, I'm the person who is like, ndi umuntu ukunda kuvuga ngo igihe nikigera ibindi bizagaruka. So niyo mpamvu binyurera kuretinga something ngo, kuko I always believe in the new opportunities kabisa, even if they might take a long period of time. But again, I'm that person who is open to new things, to apply, like to gain more and more in my life career. So I thank God for that, because it's not for everybody's conditions and stuff, but for me, I believe that we have many opportunities to explore in this life. And I'm about to send it, and it's the right time. I'm not laughing, but so proud of my this step, because the end. Again, I'm grateful for the experience and for the people. So bye, wish me luck. Bye, good night.